Hello and a warm welcome back to Blooming Slopes Gardens. I'm down in the main terrace garden today, preparing to deal with these wonderfully vigorous and deeply congested clumps of Crocosmia, which have been overshadowing these sedums. Late autumn or early spring provides the best time to divide Crocosmia, and this particular job has been on my to-do list for quite a while now. I'll put a link to my planning video somewhere on the screen. As you see from last year, these magnificent plants have become rather boisterous neighbours, overshadowing these sedums, which also deserve their moment to shine. I have to confess, this is my second attempt to divide the Crocosmia this year. Back in February, I discovered just how congested these clumps have become. The mass of corms was extraordinarily deep. Failing miserably to make any appreciable headway back then, I decided to wait for slightly warmer temperatures before coming back to this particular job. We've been blessed with a gloriously sunny and warm start to April, and I simply cannot put this off any longer. As you see, the vibrant new shoots of Crocosmia are already coming up, and right through the beautiful sedums. Time to tackle this job and restore some order in this corner of the garden. I have wisely decided to scale back my ambition for this job. Instead of trying to remove all of the Crocosmia in one go, I will instead simply settle for creating a nice space around the charming sedums, separating them from their encroaching neighbours. By creating a thoughtful breathing space between the clumps of Crocosmia and the sedums, I get my desired nice line of sedums drawing the eye up the terraces. The remaining Crocosmia can stay for another season, adding their mid to late summer colour. Digging deeply into the bank around the sedum, I have established a fairly random dividing line between what is staying, for now, and what is being removed. Working methodically back towards the sedum from that line reveals a remarkable underground story. These Crocosmia spread themselves easily and with much vigour, primarily through the formation of new underground corms. Here we have an older, more mature corm, and this one is a newer corm, both superficially resembling bulbs, though botanically distinct. If replanted, each will develop into a vigorous new plant cluster. It's for precisely this efficient reproduction that Crocosmia is considered invasive in the wild in both Ireland and in the United Kingdom. A couple of satisfying hours later, and I have filled this entire 20-litre tub with Crocosmia corms. Pretty amazing when you think about it. The sedums now have room to flourish, and I've learned yet again that sometimes in gardening the best approach is a measured intervention rather than wholesale change. Next year, I'll tackle another section. Well, that's it from Blooming Slopes Gardens for this week. I hope you've enjoyed today's satisfying tidy up of the Crocosmia. It's nice to free up those lovely sedums. As always, thanks for watching, especially if you made it this far. Do join me next time. Until then, so long and happy gardening.